Hey there, kiddos, comrades, and kiddo comrades. Today, I'm going to give you a video that's a little different from my others. I often talk about helping the community, and I truly want everyone to start using their own voice. So, if you're out there making videos or you've been thinking about it, maybe this video will help you up your presentation skills a little bit. If you found this video searching DIY stuff, take a second to look at some of my other videos. Maybe you'll be surprised, probably just annoyed. Now, maybe you're noticing something that seems a little off here. Yeah, I'm obviously reading from a script. Here, is this better? This probably feels a lot better because you have a lot more connection with me now that I'm looking directly at you. Longingly. Lovingly. You feel that too? What is happening? So, you might have already guessed that the way to achieve this is with a teleprompter. Now, professionally made teleprompters can be quite expensive, often going into hundreds of dollars, even though they're essentially just a box and a piece of glass. But not to worry, I'm going to show you how to make your own quality portable teleprompter for around $3, because you're worth it. First, grab your clipboard. You can use a larger one with a bigger picture frame, but for this we're going for ultra portable. On this side, there's this little clippy guy. Make sure he stays on the bottom so the top will be nice and flush. Now we're going to put our tripod head right in the center of the clipboard to hold everything up. Make sure it's in the center so the weight will be more even and you don't get any seesaw action. Make a dot for the tripod hole and draw a line down the back side. This is going to be our track, so you can adjust different cameras to the right position. Now grab your power drill. Don't worry if you don't have one, you can just steal one from your boss. Using the 1/4 inch bit, we're going to drill a hole that fits to the tripod plate. Make sure it's the right size or the screw won't stay in. Then, we'll use the larger bit to make the track. It doesn't have to be the exact size, just as long as it's a little larger than the screw so it can move freely. An easy way to make a track line is to make consecutive holes, and we'll connect them afterwards.
Oh.
Now take your craft knife and cut lines down either side to make a straight line. Optionally, you can use a metal file to smooth down the edges. You don't have to, but the camera will slide smoother if you do. Next up is the picture frame. We actually don't need the frame or the back, we just want the glass. You don't have to use your dog's photo, any photo will do, just make sure it's not the white guy's stock family. It'll ruin the whole thing. You want to make sure you're using actual glass, not plexiglass. And since it's real glass, it's going to be real sharp. So we're going to have to do something about that, because YouTube isn't going to pay your medical bills. Luckily, a thin strip of tape can fix anything. Now that the glass is subdued, screw in your tripod head and place it so there's just a little bit of extra room for your phone on the front side. Now you don't need any fancy hinges for this. Duct tape comes to the rescue again. A long piece on both sides is surprisingly sturdy. Just make sure you cover as little glass as possible so you don't block your camera's view. To hold it up, grab your book clips and clip them to the outside edges. For a stand, bend open a paper clip and put hooks on both sides, like so. Now grab the camera screw. I'm using a screw from an old light stand, but a normal 1/4 inch screw will work. This one just has a better thumb grip. Next, put a washer on the screw. You only want one washer on the bottom and maybe 2 or 3 on the top. This is going to raise up your camera a bit so it won't catch the clipboard in your shot. To keep the screw from falling out, our friend duct tape is back. Just fold a little piece to make a landing pad for the camera. Then get a little stabby and poke a hole through the middle, and that's where your screw is going to go. You can put a little piece of foam strip on the end as a phone grip and to cushion the glass. Remember, glass sharp. Now you might be wondering why the voodoo isn't kicking in yet. That's because the phone's reflection is being killed off by all this light coming in around it. So what we need now is a hood. Down in the description, you can find these templates to make a removable hood. Or you can make yours however you want. Whatever, fine. Not like I worked hard on them for you or anything. Now we have a hood to block out all the side, top, and front light. It's pretty good, but you can still see a little light coming in from the back. I just use a spare piece of cloth and tape it on. Now we've got a nice little darkroom. Go to your phone's app store and search for Teleprompter apps. Use whichever one works for you. Right now I'm using the Parrot app, which is actually meant to be used together with the Parrot Teleprompter, which goes for over $130. But we're not suckers. And that's all there is to it. You can make all kinds of variations on this to suit whatever your needs may be. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell below. And if you like this video and want to help me continue to make them, become a sponsor at patreon.com/softboysocialclub. Links are below. Your support really makes these videos possible. Now go out there and make some top quality videos, all while maintaining prolonged eye contact.